like to thank you quite sincerely on behalf of the Color Explosion team for being here tonight. It's a Friday night, it's the weekend, you could have been anywhere else tonight, but you chose to be here. And we thank you very much for your presence and by extension your support. Thank you very much.
You know, tonight's event is about a color explosion. So I think it's, first of all, I'd like, to say thank you for the invitation to be here. I was supposed to be here anyway this evening because I'm attending a seminar tomorrow where I'll be speaking. So having the invitation to be here this evening, I'm very glad to be able to make it. Not only for that reason, but because you're talking about the color explosion here and you're talking about wellness. And I think this is something that's absolutely important in this country. I was earlier on talking to some of the chefs that were here, that are here today, and I was talking to them about in terms of wellness and about this big issue that we have that's affecting everybody in this country, the issue of NCDs. And one of the big challenges that we have in NCDs, one of the challenges is something that we're going to be addressed through this walking towards wellness where people get fit. The other challenge that we have is trying to make sure that people eat the right kind of food. And in order to do that, we need to make good food glamorous. That's a big challenge for us. And I think also in things of getting people to exercise, we need to make it glamorous too. And I think that's what you've done very well in this Rang Deviti, this color explosion exercise that you have. Going through the photographs that we've just seen just shows how you've been able to make just a normal walk something exciting, something that really speaks to people when they see these things happening. So first of all, I'd like to congratulate everybody that is part of this exercise. All of the members of this Rang Deviti Color Explosion Committee. I'd like to thank the sponsors that have already agreed to come on board. The sponsors that have already decided, and I think the call is still out for more sponsors to become involved. And here in the Ministry of Health and Medical Services, we know that health is such a large issue, such a major issue that we can't fix it on our own. It requires partnership with everybody. So I appreciate the work that's been done by this committee. Last night, I was together with the Suva Golden Oldies Rugby Club. These are old people, 50 years old, 60 years old, they still play rugby. But they raise money for things like prostate cancer. And this year, they handed across to the ministry a total sum of $26,000 that we will now use to screen everybody over 40 that we can get our hands on, men that is. And also to use that money for advocacy. They've come up with television advertisements that we'll use in the paper. So for all the men that are here, if you're over 40, if you haven't been tested, get tested. But once again, if there's one thing that I'd like to say, I say thank you to all the organizers. Thank you to the sponsors. I invite everybody in the West to become part of this exercise. And if I'm in the country, and I'll certainly try my best to be here to once again get my face colored up and then spend about half an hour trying to get the color off my bald spots up here. I wish this year's event, the next year's event, the very best. Thank you for everybody for putting it together, and thank everybody for taking up this evening to support this worthy cause.
Ladies and gentlemen, another big round of applause for General Mashiri. Thank you very much for your kind donation.